As you can hear, there is a scream. That scream is from SCP-096. A guy covered in black warned us to stay inside. I tried to look for SCP-096 outside the window. Then it somehow stopped. It was probably a guy with boombox or hacker, but I'm not sure. As you can see, I typed where he go. And don't mind my display name as Ariana_Plus. My cousin want me to riz his classmate. And I don't know why I switched topic. Nobody knew where he went. I went back in the pizzeria to find the black guy. I asked him cause he might know. He said he's gone. Then he said we safe. That's all I recorded, so bye.